T-Mobile has just confirmed their availability for the Galaxy Fold, which just started mass production. The Samsung Galaxy S10 5G is already out and having issues in Korea, and we just see a new interesting patent for a foldable from LG, and this one is transparent. I'm Jaime Rivera, back in New York where the cold doesn't go, but where all the products get announced. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by Brave. The official news today begin with deals. Those of you in the market for a Google Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL, currently Amazon has deals on the refurbished variant, meaning if you go for the refurbished Pixel 3, 64 gigs, it'll cost you around $450, and then if you go for the Pixel 3 XL, it's $520. Obviously, you know, these are refurbished, but still, it's definitely a good deal. Now, let's talk about YouTube TV. I'm actually a subscriber, and I just got an email that I don't like today. I was paying $35 for the service. Now, pricing is going to change. New subscribers are going to see a different price as of next month, and my billing is going to be updated in June. So, no more $35 now, it's $49. And you get more channels, which I wish I could opt out from because I really don't care about them. But you still get the other perks that you have with YouTube TV in the past. So yeah, it's going to get more expensive, sadly. Now let's talk about LG as, well, we've got this new pen that just emerged that's rather interesting. At CES, we saw transparent OLED technology, which the company showcased in some of their TVs. So that's all fine and dandy, but now it seems that there's a patent for this same transparent OLED technology to make it two foldable smartphones that become tablets. When are we getting this? I don't exactly know, but this is actually a really cool idea if it goes through. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G as it launched a couple of days ago in Korea, and apparently consumers are already having issues. Either there is no 5G connectivity or you have to do certain reboots to the phone for 5G to connect, or if you're already in 5G and then it drops into 4G, it takes forever for it to do that, and then it just doesn't jump back to 5G, or it does, but there's a blackout where you just don't have connectivity. Obviously, 5G is a new thing, guys, so I do get that there will be some quirks, which, I don't know, it's the curse of the early adopter, I guess. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy Fold and T-Mobile, which pretty much just confirmed that we should expect the Fold to reach the carrier on April 26th. We don't have a price, but we do know that Samsung is going to be selling the unlocked variant for $2,000, and apparently they will have limited supplies, and there will be limited stores having this device. In today's question, I mean, are you going to adopt the Galaxy Fold early for $2,000 if that's the price? Or are you going to wait for the next generation? Because in my case, I'm happy that I'm going to give it a try because I have to review it and that's all great, but oh my God, I don't know if I'd pay for it. But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. And friends, this episode of the Pocketnow Daily is brought to you by Brave. Brave is a web browser that works on your desktop or mobile, is based on Chromium so your plugins work, is ad-free, and is up to 8 times faster than Chrome. It's secure, no trackers following your steps, you can earn BAT cryptocurrency and even reward publishers you like with it. Follow the link in the description below and learn more about what makes Brave so cool. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.